Tesla Model 3 door closure issues often stem from misaligned latches, strikers, or problems with the soft close mechanism. These issues can prevent the door from securely latching. Several factors contribute to these problems, including manufacturing defects, thermal expansion, especially in cold climates, wear and tear, and even software glitches affecting the soft close actuator. Understanding these root causes is the first step to finding a solution. The latch mechanism is key to how the door closes. Understanding these root causes is the first step to finding a solution. The door latch is a motorized component that engages with a striker, which is a metal pin on the door frame, to secure the door. Misalignment happens when the striker is out of position, often due to frame warping from manufacturing tolerances or wear. The latch uses electronic sensors for feedback to ensure the door is fully closed and secure. A misaligned striker prevents the latch from fully engaging, leading to closure problems. The soft close actuator is an electric motor that gently pulls the door shut if it's slightly ajar. It activates via proximity sensors to ensure secure closure. If the actuator is misaligned, faulty, or experiences a power interruption, it can lead to a door not closed warning on the dashboard. Common issues include incorrect torque calibration or faulty sensor thresholds. Diagnosing these issues early can prevent further damage and ensure proper door closure. Basic striker alignment adjustment is a simple DIY fix that can resolve many door closure issues in Tesla Model 3 vehicles. The striker is a metal pin on the door frame that the latch engages with to secure the door. Misalignment occurs when this striker is out of position. First, use a screwdriver to loosen the bolts securing the striker plate to the door frame. This allows the striker to be repositioned. Reposition the striker slightly by moving it in or out until it aligns properly with the latch. The goal is optimal engagement where the latch hooks securely onto the striker. After each adjustment, test the door closure multiple times. Close the door gently and ensure it latches securely without gaps or resistance. Ensure the striker is positioned optimally, not too far in or out. This basic adjustment is a common DIY solution that can fix most alignment-related door closure problems. When basic adjustments and calibrations aren't enough, you can try some do-it-yourself solutions for Tesla Model 3 door closure issues. These are suitable for minor misalignments and maintenance, but always prioritize safety. One effective DIY fix is shimming the striker. If the latch and striker aren't aligning properly, you can create or use 3D printed spacers to adjust the striker's position. This corrects minor gaps without needing professional tools. Another simple DIY solution is lubricating the door hinges with silicone spray. This helps prevent binding and ensures smooth operation of the soft close mechanism. Use a product like WD-40 Specialist Silicone for best results. Always exercise caution with DIY fixes. Never force any components, as this could cause damage or safety hazards. These solutions work best for minor adjustments and should never compromise vehicle safety. If the problem persists despite your efforts, or if you're uncomfortable performing adjustments, seek professional help. Tesla service centers have specialized tools and expertise to diagnose and repair door closure issues. They can also address potential warranty concerns. For hardware failures like a faulty soft close actuator, professional replacement is often necessary. Preventive measures can minimize future door closure problems. Avoid slamming the doors, as the soft close mechanism is designed for gentle use. Regularly inspect the door alignment and lubrication. Keep door sensors clean and free from debris. If you live in a cold climate, be aware that thermal expansion can affect door alignment and require periodic adjustments. Staying proactive will save you time and money in the long run.